In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to harness the power of Microsoft Copilot to polish your emails, ensuring they sound both professional and friendly. This tool is incredibly useful for those times when you want to convey the right tone and clarity in your communication. So let's dive right into the process. First things first, open up your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL https://copilot.microsoft.com and hit enter. This will take you to the Microsoft Copilot homepage, a crucial destination for today's task. Make sure you're using a browser that you're comfortable with, as familiarity can make this process quicker and more intuitive. Once you're on the Copilot page, it's time to sign in. For this, you'll need to use your Microsoft 365 account credentials. If you haven't already done so, make sure your account is set up properly beforehand. Signing in not only allows you to access Copilot, but also helps keep your work safe and secure within the Microsoft ecosystem. After successfully signing in, you should see the Message Copilot box smack dab in the center of the screen. This box is essentially your starting point for crafting and refining messages. It's designed to be intuitive, so click on it to start your editing process. Now let's put Microsoft Copilot to use with an example. In the text box, you'll want to enter a prompt. Start by typing. Rewrite this email to sound more professional but still friendly. Keep it under 120 words. Then paste the following email text. Hi team, just reminding you all about the project deadline this Friday. Please finish your tasks on time so we can wrap everything up smoothly. Thanks! After you've entered this information, press the Enter key. This prompt will cue Copilot to provide you with a new, polished version of your message. As Copilot works its magic, take a moment to review the newly generated version of your email. This is your chance to ensure that it aligns with the tone and messaging you're aiming for. If you find that it needs a bit of tweaking, don't worry. You can easily refine it by typing additional commands, such as add a formal greeting and closing. This ensures the message meets your needs more precisely. When you're satisfied with the revised email, the final step is to copy this tailored message. Now, you'll want to open your Outlook or Teams application. Paste the refined email into a new message window in either of these platforms and prepare it for sending. This final action completes the process, allowing you to communicate more effectively with your team. And there you have it. You've just learned a quick and efficient method to use Microsoft Copilot for writing polished and professional emails. Thank you for watching, and remember, effective communication is key to any successful collaboration.